Avalanche value equivalent to 835.66 rands a coin. The present cost range 817.8, 875.17. The earlier day close 870.43. The change was 34.77, 399%. Converse rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 756 rands. Exorbitant cost 756, while low cost 609. The found the middle value of cost 694. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 655. Change for August 13.4%. Avalanche estimate for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 655 rands. Exorbitant cost 813, while low cost 655. The found the middle value of cost 721. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 760. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at 760 rands. Exorbitant cost 944, while low cost 760. The found the middle value of cost 837. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 882. Change for October 16, 1%. Avalanche figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 882 rands. Excessive cost 1E95, while low cost 882. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 971. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 2023. Change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 1E23 rands. Excessive cost 1E23, while low cost 883. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 970. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 949. Change for December 72%. Avalanche conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at 949 rands. Excessive cost 131, while low cost 897. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 960. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 964. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at 964 rands. Excessive cost 964, while low cost 838. The found the middle value of cost 917. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 901. Change for February 65%. Avalanche estimate for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 901 rands. Exorbitant cost 901, while low cost 736. The found the middle value of cost 832. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 791. Change for spring 12.2%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at 791 rands. Exorbitant cost 791, while low cost 655. The found the middle value of cost 735. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 704. Change for April 11%. Avalanche gauge for May 2025. Initially cost at 704 rands. Excessive cost 748, while low cost 650. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 700. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 699. Change for May 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at 699 rands. Excessive cost 753, while low cost 655. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 703. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 704. Change for June 27%. Avalanche conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at 704 rands. Excessive cost 704, while low cost 598. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 662. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 643. Change for July 87%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 643 rands. Exorbitant cost 798, while low cost 643. The found the middle value of cost 708. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 746. Change for August 16%. Avalanche gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 746 rands. Exorbitant cost 811, while low cost 705. The found the middle value of cost 755. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 758. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 758 rands. Exorbitant cost 824, while low cost 716. The found the middle value of cost 767. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 770. Change for October 16%. Avalanche estimate for November 2025. To start with, cost at 770 rands. Exorbitant cost 933, while low cost 770. The found the middle value of cost 836. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 872. Change for November 2%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at 872 rands. Exorbitant cost 890, while low cost 774. The found the middle value of cost 842. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 832. Change for December 6%. Avalanche gauge for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 832 rands. Exorbitant cost 904, while low cost 786. The found the middle value of cost 842. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 845. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 845 rands. Exorbitant cost 149, while low cost 845. The found the middle value of cost 930. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 980. Change for February 16%. Avalanche estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 980 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,1066, while low cost 926. The found the middle value of cost 992. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 996. Change for spring 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at 996 rands. Excessive cost 1,083, while low cost 941. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,008. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,012. Change for April 16%. Avalanche figure for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 1,012 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,100, while low cost 956. The found the middle value of cost 1,024. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,028. Change for May 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at 1,028 rands. Excessive cost 1,143, while low cost 993. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,058. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,068. Change for June 39%. Avalanche estimate